6 best apps that offer free PayPal money with no effort needed. Did you know that there are some unknown free apps that can help you earn over $100 per week? In this video, I'll introduce you to 6 such apps that can help you make instant money on PayPal without any prior experience or hard work. These apps work globally, and the best part is that some of them work automatically without any human involvement. They can even help you earn money while you sleep. No matter your age, location, or background, all you need to do is follow the instructions in this video, download the apps, and start making money. If you're looking for a way to earn income without any special skills or too much effort, then this video is for you. Make sure to watch the entire video to get all the necessary information and maximize your income quickly. Don't miss out on this opportunity and take advantage of it while you can. Let's begin. Let me introduce you to the first app, which is Money SMS. You can download it from moneysmsapp.com. This app is unique because you don't have to actively do anything on it. All you need to do is download it to your smartphone and let it run in the background. This app will periodically send SMS messages to you, but you don't need to read or respond to them. You can simply delete them or leave them in your inbox without reading them. Despite this, you'll earn 2 cents for every SMS message that you receive. If you do simple math, receiving 100 SMS messages will earn you around $2. If you receive 1,000 messages, you can earn $20. And if you receive 5,000 messages, you can earn $100. Plus, the earning potential will continue to grow since there are numerous messaging companies sending millions of SMS messages around the world. The reason there are companies that are willing to pay to receive messages is that this app serves as a test for messaging companies. They send random messages to ensure that their system is functioning properly and that messages are being sent at a fast speed. You're helping them by allowing them to perform these tests, and in turn, they pay you. There's no need to worry about security, as the app only reads its own test messages and not your personal or private messages. Your personal data remains safe. The only drawback is that this app is only compatible with the Android operating system. Unfortunately, iPhone users cannot download it, but don't worry, there are other apps that work for all users that I'll show in this video. The second app on the list is SlideJoy, which can be found on the Play Store. It is an innovative and unique concept. The app will pay you every time you unlock your phone, even if you just do it quickly to take a glance. As we're all aware, we tend to check and open our phones frequently throughout the day, perhaps more than 100 times. SlideJoy aims to take advantage of this habit and turn it into a reliable source of income. Essentially, each time you unlock your phone, SlideJoy will present an advertisement on your home screen. You're not required to interact with the ad in any way or make a purchase. All you need to do is unlock your phone as usual, and you'll receive payment simply for glancing at the ad for a few seconds. SlideJoy partners with multiple advertisers who submit their ads to be displayed on your phone. It's a win for both SlideJoy and their partners. Who would have thought that by simply unlocking your phone, you're already earning and the companies are able to market their products or services? This is such an incredible and unique concept. The third app on the list is called Lifecoin, and it's available to both Android and iPhone users. To download it, you can visit the website lifecoin.ai. This particular application is unique compared to the previous two, as it rewards you for a daily activity, walking. You'll earn money for every step you take throughout the day. For instance, taking 5,240 steps would earn you 5.24 Lifecoins. It's important to mention that Lifecoin functions as a form of cryptocurrency. However, there are multiple methods available for withdrawing your funds. You can either convert your cryptocurrency into cash or use it to make purchases within the app. This means that you can effectively transform your daily walks into a mining session. In order for the app to work correctly, don't forget to enable your phone's GPS location feature. There's no need to be concerned. However, as the app isn't attempting to keep track of your every move, its sole purpose is to track the number of steps you take throughout the day, enabling you to earn the appropriate compensation. The more you walk, the more decent you'll earn through this app. Moreover, the revenue generated by this app is decent. You don't need to engage in any additional tasks beyond installing the app and allowing it to run in the background of your phone. You can carry on with your regular routine, and the app will surely make your life more interesting and fun because you're earning money. The fourth app on the list is known as MooCash, and it's accessible to both Android and iPhone users. You can download it by visiting getmoocash.com. This particular app enables you to earn money by completing simple tasks such as watching videos, playing video games, or placing online orders at restaurants. There are a lot of opportunities available for you to take advantage of, and the great news is that you don't need to accumulate a substantial amount of funds before you can withdraw them. Once you've earned between $2 and $5, depending on your location, you can withdraw funds from the app. The best part is that you can withdraw your money easily with no complicated processes involved. You can receive your funds via PayPal or bank transfer, depending on your preference. This app has received high marks in the user reviews, but it's always a good idea to conduct your own research before deciding whether or not to use it. The fifth app is Sweatcoin, which is accessible to both Android and iPhone users. You can get it by simply going to the Play Store or App Store and searching for Sweatcoin. This app allows you to earn money by walking. After downloading the app, all you have to do is let it run in the background while you go about your normal daily routine. The app will pay you for every step you take throughout the day. Sweatcoin pays you in cryptocurrency, and what makes it unique is that it has more than 300 partners across the world. This implies that you can purchase items directly from the partners using your Sweatcoin, which is the most convenient option. You don't have to convert your Sweatcoin into real money. Instead, you can use it to make online purchases and enjoy many other benefits. If you enjoy sports or go for a run every morning, this app provides an opportunity to earn money from your daily workout sessions. The final app on our list is Cash Magnet, which is available for free on the website cashmagnetapp.com. It's exclusive to Android users and it's unique among the apps we've looked at because it allows you to earn money without any effort. To use Cash Magnet, you just need to download the app, sign up using your email and password, and let the app operate in the background. The app will leverage your phone's processing power to complete some tasks, but will consume only a small amount of your phone's battery resources, so you won't feel any significant effect while you're using your phone. The app claims that in 2 months of usage, you can earn enough money to buy another phone, and it does this by using only the necessary resources. Although this could be viewed as an advertisement, the app allows you to withdraw your earnings at any time using options such as PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or Google Play credits. If you choose to use your earnings to download paid apps from the Play Store, that's up to you. The key point is that this is passive income, meaning there's no need for you to complete tasks, watch videos, or fill out forms. All you have to do is download the app and give it a chance. It's now time for you to try out these applications. They may not guarantee that you'll be rich, but earning extra cash every week is the best. If you're interested in any of these apps, you can read about them on the internet and do your own research. You'll be surprised to know that there are so many people out there earning real money from these apps. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.